And hello and welcome. This is the video walkthrough for lab number 4, lighting. This is external and internal lighting. 4A, there was nothing shown on the checklist, so there's nothing for me to show there. I think that was just a video showing shadow and different types of lighting and how to do the builds. From there, we had create 4B, which was create the night sky and use a combination of the direct light, the directional light, the skylight, and the sky sphere. So for me, what I've got in this one is I've done all the appropriate things for the sky sphere. I've turned the zenith black. I've got the stars turned out. I have the clouds moving pretty good, and they look more or less realistic. For this type of environment. Now, in my particular example, I didn't use I took the skylight out, so I don't have a lot of reflecting light, which for a moon-filled night would probably be incorrect. And then I took the directional light out too. So at that point, I don't have those two to show, or you could show that they are not there by typing in light up here and then scrolling through your lights and showing me that they're not there and why you did that. Anyways, so from there we have the 4C, which is the glowing moon. So I do have my glowing moon up there. And if I zoom out far enough away, I can see that, it's for the most part feels pretty realistic at the distance that I have and where I would be able to walk around. It never crosses the night sky. It looks like it's in the right place. It never gets too close, too far away. So that's a pretty good moon right there. So where's my area? Here we go. Okay. So that's the moon. So the moon is there. So that is 4C. 4D was using a combination of the point and the spotlight together to create the headlights for a car. So if I push play, we can just walk around to the car. We can see what that looks like. And it looks like my spotlights or my point lights aren't actually showing up really well. So let me maybe something moved. And this is something you should do. I'm doing it now because obviously it's not working the way it should. There it is. And I'm zooming around way too fast, but it should already be created. If for whatever reason it's not, stop your video, restart it. So this is good that this is happening to me. So then that way you can, not show me you doing your corrections in the shorter time. Ooh. What's up with that light? There it is. Okay, so now I've got those. Okay, so I've got obviously I have the point lights which are there, and the point lights being the rounder ones that we just moved, and the ones that look like have the barn doors, which are giving us the directional light or the spotlight. Okay. So there's the spotlight for that. So that is 4D, which is the car headlight. From there, the next one is going to be the rear of the car, which is going to be the red light or the brake light. So that's what the brake light looks like. It is illuminating the floor. If I move in close enough, it does look like it's glowing. And then the other half of that was to create the inside rec light, which makes it look like the light inside the vehicle is turned on. And somebody needs to clean those windows. That's a dirty car. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to walk around, show you what it looks like without all the stuff glowing, or without the icons for the lights being there. Okay, so that looks right. Now I also did 2 vehicles. So there's the other vehicle if you wanted to take a look at it. Now for this, so that's for E. For F is going to be all the interior lighting. So I want to walk inside. I want to see some type of a hanging light. Obviously there should be 2 lights there, the point light and the spotlight. So then that way you can create the effect on the floor plus the effect of the light bulb being in there. Did I put any lights in the garage? I'm not sure I did. Okay, so let's walk upstairs where I think I've got the additional lighting. So upstairs I have the bar lighting, which is one of the things that we did. And other things that could be lit might be the computer screen if you wanted something like that. You could put inside the lamps, you could put some lights in there. I like the way that desk is glowing. Okay, so let's go back downstairs. And the other, so that was point lights, spotlights, and then the rec light is going to be here on the side. So this was my exterior lighting for the interior of the house. The other thing we also have is lighting in the lamps there, and then also for the exterior lighting there was the spotlight and point light to create the effect of the lamp. Okay, so that's everything for lighting. Hope you've enjoyed the video and that the walkthrough will help you understand what I'm looking for in this project, in this lab. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.